It is 29 p.m. March 13th, 2014. It was only on for 20 seconds, but this is fried itself somehow. It started and fucking electrified the whole kit. Whole kit and caboodle. Hold on. Holy shit. Crap. Excuse the language. Yeah, that's how. It's not right. Go ahead and stick a cup of water in there real fast. Just got done cooking about 10 different hamburgers and all that bullshit. Huh. I don't know what it could have been. Don't know what that is, but I'll check that out later. I'm gonna go ahead and press stop on this video. And I'm gonna upload this video to YouTube to show it off. Hopefully this cup of water comes out hot, boiling hot, yeah.